Hey guys, it's Paul. I just want to do a really quick video explaining something to people who have tagged Happy Me Limited as their Zoho partner. As I've told a few people, and I want to tell more people, Happy Me on Zoho partnerships is a different partner because I do so much, many videos on YouTube, because I get people to sign up externally for Zoho by creating lots of videos. I'm actually Happy Me Limited is an affiliate stroke referral partner, not a consulting partner. So Zoho realizes that we don't use, myself and Carol, we don't do one-on-one consultancy. We actually recommend other Zoho partners for that. So when you sign up with Happy Me Limited as your partner, or if you tag Happy Me Limited as your partner, you still get Zoho support. For every other consultant partner, Zoho say they have to be your frontline support. In our case, it's not the case because we do so much on YouTube. We do training. We basically do training videos, and then we introduce people to Zoho. So it's not the case. If you've tagged Happy Me Limited as your partner, the Zoho consultant or whoever you're talking to should still be giving you full onboarding and full support. I've got the partner team to double verify and say that is absolutely the case. So don't untag Happy Me and then get your partner training, because you'll stop us from getting paid and you'll lose access to the training courses that you've probably signed up for. So contact me first if you're getting pushback. We're going to make sure or try and get the partner team to flag somewhere in the system if this Zoho user comes up and the partner is Happy Me Limited, then they still get training, you still get support, you still get frontline support. I wouldn't have done it that way if they were expecting me to provide support. There's hundreds of you now. I can't do it on my own, right? So enjoy. I'm going to do another video on why you can't hire me. A lot of people ask me why you can hire me. I'm going to do another video straight away on that, so check that out as well. Any questions though, support@paulnicholson.com. Drop me a message, I will help you out. Cheers.